Today I'm going to show you how I made this geode out of a piece of MDF wood. First I cut it to the shape I wanted it, sanded it down, and spray painted it with a gold metallic spray paint. Then I got these faux crystals and I hot glued them all around the edge to give it a crusty appearance. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix up some Artworks resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio and you mix it for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to drizzle it all over the faux crystals that I hot glued on just to give it some added strength. Then while the resin was wet, I went ahead and sprinkled this pretty glitter all over the edge of the wood. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix up another batch of Artworks resin and divide it into cups with the pigment colors that I chose. Then I just went ahead and poured them out in the color pattern I decided to go with. I wasn't really happy with that top blue color, so I put a stripe of crushed glass over it to try to cover it. And then I'm just adding some white lines with my Posca paint marker. I also went ahead and put some gold glitter glue over my gold stripe to make it more sparkly. Then I went ahead and mixed up another batch of Artworks resin and I'm just doing a flood coat over the top just to seal everything in. Don't forget when you're done pouring resin to hit it with the heat gun to pop all of the air bubbles. And this is all done. I took it out in the sun so you can see how pretty it is when it sparkles. If you're looking to purchase this Artworks resin, you can buy it online at thecraftattack.com. Thanks for watching.